There are 8 parts of speech: verb, noun, adjective, adverb, pronoun, interjection, conjunction, and preposition. They are 8 categories of words defined in terms of their purpose, place, meaning, and use within sentences. A verb describes an action or experience. Example: run, walk, sing, eat, and sleep. Mary ran to school because she was late. The verb in this sentence is run. Dan loves to bake cookies. The verb in this sentence is bake. Noun. A noun names a person, place, things, or ideas. Example: house, teacher, cup, shop. My teacher is a very nice person. The noun in this sentence is teacher. Sarah is going to go on holiday to Japan. There are 2 nouns in this sentence. The first noun is Sarah because it's a person's name. The second noun is Japan because it's the name of a place. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Example: short, beautiful, blue, young. Fatima has a huge house with 6 bedrooms. The adjective in this sentence is huge because that is describing Fatima's house. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. The adverb tells us how often, how, where, or when. Example: softly, yesterday, sometimes. A cheetah is always faster than a lion. The adverb in this sentence is always. Always is describing how frequently a cheetah is faster than a lion. Last night, I slept really well. The adverb in this sentence is last night. Pronoun replace the name of a person, place, thing, or idea in a sentence. Example: I, she, you, them, it. Anna is a very nice friend. She always helps me with my homework. The pronoun in this sentence is she. Instead of saying Anna's name 2 times in a row, you substituted she and your sentences remain grammatically correct. You can visit the shopping center at 1 o'clock. The pronoun in this sentence is you. Interjection. An interjection used to express strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation mark. Example: wow! Oh! Wow! The view is amazing. The interjection in this sentence is wow. Hey! I haven't seen you in a long time. The interjection in this sentence is hey. Conjunction. A conjunction used to connect words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Example: and, but, or, so, yet. I like to watch the television and eat popcorn. The conjunction in this sentence is and. My friend is very loud, whereas I am very quiet. The conjunction in this sentence is whereas. A preposition describes the place, time, or direction. It is used before a noun or a pronoun. Example: under, above, in, around the corner from. She put the pizza in the oven. The preposition in the sentence is in. Without the preposition in, we don't know where the pizza is. Get into the car quickly before we are late to school. The preposition in this sentence is into. Thanks for watching!
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.